Right, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how valuable SignalPeak is for your Forex and crypto journey. Whether you're a beginner or even a more advanced trader, having access to over 100 different Telegram premium channels, getting those signals, and then I'm going to show you on TradingView how you can take it in live moments. So once you get that signal, this is the process you want to be taking, exactly how to enter those trades. But please do remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. And here we have it. This is SignalPeak.io. Okay, so your guide to crypto trading success. With over 100 premium Telegram channels, offer access to expert guidance, timely signals. It actually has access to some of the biggest groups in the industry, with Alex Friedman, master of Binance, Binance Killers the Bull, and even Fed Russian. They are available to be executed on multiple different exchanges. This is cryptocurrency: Coinbase, KuCoin, Binance, Bybit. You would have heard of all of these if you even look into crypto. Okay, now the price that they do have is honestly out of this world. Some of the monthly, just even some of the premium groups that are involved in, you would have to pay $99 a month to get access to it. So having the ability to pay the $99 a month and get access to every single premium Telegram channel that SignalPeak offer is honestly out of this world. But I always personally recommend doing the free trial for 1 day. Get comfortable, make sure you're used to it, make sure you know exactly how it all works, and then go for that lifetime option. Because if SignalPeak are to ever enter or add any more groups, you get it completely free. Once you've paid once, you have this service for the rest of your life. You can use it whenever you want. Some of the premium features are the 100 premium Telegram channels I'm telling you about, intraday scalp, standard and swing trades, mega signals, that's 200 every 1 to 2 months, precise technical, fundamental, sentimental analysis, risk management guides, exact entry, exit levels and updates, over a 92% accuracy, 24/7 support, the largest learning material library for trading in the world, and permanent trade monitoring. Okay, how it works is I'm going to show you that exactly right now. We're going to head on over and show you some of the groups that you get. Okay, so you have to do it in Telegram. Now once you're in here, you get access to this SignalPeak bot. Once you've purchased, which I'm going to show you at the end of this video, you then get access to multiple different, these are just ones that I've personally entered. You can see you've got SignalPeak Pumps Detector, you've got Trader Z, you've got American Crypto, Profit With Us, you've got Binance Killers, one of my favorite ones, Volume, and then you've got Bitcoin Bullets. So for example, you can see exactly how here, profit 74.7% on just a 5x leverage. And then as you go through, you can see loads more. Okay, Alex Friedman is a very good one as well. So what we're going to do is head on over and take a look at his last signal on August the 14th at 5:25. This was a long over on TRX USDT. Right, today's sponsor is Lead Sniper. That's lead-sniper.com. Link will be down below. Your unfair advantage in lead generation. Now, it automatically scrapes leads from Google Maps, Yellow Pages, and domain-based emails in just a few clicks. Now, no more manual digging. You get verified emails, phone numbers, and business data fast. Now, with lifetime access options, it's efficient, affordable, and insanely powerful. Now, check out that link down below, and let's jump back into the video. Right, so what we're going to do is head on back to Bitcoin Bullets VIP. They've got 273 subscribers, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can make your charts look like these. This is his signal. This is him telling you exactly where. He's got the leverage, entry requirements, targets, and also stop loss. So once you've head on over to TradingView, what you want to do is you want to find the chart. You want to click on that, search up chess. This is the chess one that he's telling us. As you can see, chess/USDT, Binance or Binance Futures, and then scroll through. Now what I'm going to do is actually go back to when he gave us the signal. So this will be in live time. So you can see it's August the 15th at 10:56. So with this replay feature, we can go back Friday the 15th at 10:56. Okay, so we're going to do 11 o'clock. Okay, so once you get that signal, what you want to do is head on up to the fourth one down, 1 2 3 4 5, sorry, the fifth one down, and because he's telling you to go long, which is a buy, you want to take the long position. Now what you want to do is just put it on the screen anyway. Okay, double click it and you'll get these parameters. What you want to do is entry price. Okay, so if we go back, you can see he's giving you an entry price of 0.076 to 0.07. So this basically gives you the chance to get in whenever you like. Okay, so it gives you that entry requirement so that basically
you can, if you've missed it, you still have a possibility to enter. Okay, so now let's look at the profit. Okay, so if we go back, we've got multiple different targets. If we take the middle one, let's go for 0.097, but obviously he does go all the way up to 0.36, but these trades do last quite a while in sense of this. So let's put the 0.361 in just to show you exactly some of the parameters they are going for. And as you can see, that green bar behind us has literally just changed over. Now once you've double clicked, you want to put your stop loss in as well. Your stop loss is there to basically stop you from losing all of your money. So that's 0.0641. So we want to go here 0.0641. Okay, when you click on OK, you will see this criteria here. Okay, now if I use the playback feature, this is in live time. Each candle represents 30 minutes, and what you can see is you basically come into the section. We still haven't entered this trade. We are now coming down. We would have entered the trade. We do go in a little bit of drawdown, and as you can see, it's starting to reverse back up. But an interesting fact to note about this is obviously this is a replay feature, but when watching this live time, make sure you obviously put the only money you're willing to lose. But for example, if you were to put 1,000 on this, this would be 1,000 being risked. But as you can see, we are slowly making it up. We are in drawdown currently still, but obviously that is it's one of those factors that you fully expect. But as you can see, the candles are still moving. We are pushing back up to our entry requirement. And if I skip through these, you can see we've gone into profit now. And that's why holding your nerve in trading is a bonus. Okay, we are now back to real time, so you can see that signal that he provided back in August the 15th is now currently in profit. If you were to have risked $1,000, then you would be currently $500 up, I would suggest. But the first take profit, let's just see if he did here, 0.08. And as you can see, 0.08 is up here. So even if you were to take the very first take profit, you are very close to winning that trade already. Sometimes it pays to be conservative, and as you can see with this one, it's a 0.85 to 1 risk to reward. That's for the first take profit. So if you were to hit this mark, you will be you basically receive $850. Now, if you are looking to get involved with SignalPeak, you want to head on over to SignalPeak bot, where you can go down, you see the free trial, you see the monthly option, and also the lifetime. You simply click on one of these. Once you've clicked on it, obviously I recommend the lifetime. You will then get this section here, join crypto channels. Click on that, and then these are all the crypto channels you will receive. Okay, as you scroll through and go round, you basically just click on them, and then you'll get this notification, request to join. You can click on so many different ones, or even just join every single one, because let's be honest, that's what you're paying for. Now there we have it, guys. That was SignalPeak, how to take a trade and how to do everything you need to do inside SignalPeak and start getting that 92% success rate. We've shown you one that's still currently active, so even if you're watching this video, double check back and make sure that it is still going. It's going to be hitting take profit. It looks very, very good for sure. But let me know down in the comments what you want to see next and how we can improve. But thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.